What motivated me to join this program was the magnitude of the challenges. Challenges that were far-ranging, technical, technological, and organizational. The A350 is the first plane to use composites so extensively. More than 50% of the plane is made of carbon composites. We needed to ramp up production very quickly, following a very short development cycle for a project of this size, which involved dozens and dozens of partners around the world. We had to develop new methods, which were radically different from those used on the A380. For example, using the 3D Experience platform, manufacturing, engineering, and engineering can now collaborate on the same digital mock-up, which includes all the required elements for manufacturing.